Okay, for this one, this is the backup video for Stavros. I'm going to use my fatty because my Slimmy over here is still restoring. It's going to take 5 hours to restore 300 gig. So this time I'm just using the fatty with the SSD in it, so it should be a lot faster anyway. Right. So you just go to, on the XMB, System Settings, and down to Backup. And there's 3 options here: Backup, Restore, Delete, Backup. Depending what you're doing, this is what you do. So this is a backup, so it's just obviously backup. And it'll say, obviously, you know, it'll back up most things. You want to do trophies, you got to do it online. So just click yes. And it says some stuff won't be done, the copyright stuff, if you try and put it on another system, but because it's generally for the same system, it should be sweet. Then it gives you it gives you the choice of what USB discs you've got. I've got my little portable in there at the moment, and I changed my 320 gig from my other system, so it's obviously picking them both up. So obviously the 2 gig is too small, so I click on the other one. It goes through a system of, now calculates how much it needs and if there's enough space on the disk and everything. And then it comes to this screen, which basically tells you how long it's going to take. Now with, for example, my Slimmy that's still going, this takes roughly 5 or 6 hours to do the restore and backup, but this 60 gig shouldn't take that long, I wouldn't think, but I'm not sure, so I won't believe it. We'll come back when... Alright, so this one's not too bad. It says about 20 minutes. Really, it's only got to back up one game. There's only one game on my Slimmy, it's Gran Turismo, so because I've been grinding on it, so not too bad. So it takes roughly 20 minutes and it looked like to do the 60 gig backup. Alright, so it actually only backed up 10 gig, which is quite funny. 20 minutes. There you go. So it gives you this, always gives you this number, which is actually the time. So 2011, 23rd of the 7th, 1:16. It's backwards. Must be the way the Asians do it. Alright, so if for some reason you've got a backup from that hard disk, so system backup, and this time would be a restore, not backup. So yes, you know what you're going to do. So pick the device, well, where you put it. And there you go, it'll pick that. With like my one, for example, I've got like 3 or 4 of these, and you've got to just pick the date. That's it. You just select enter and it'll go through the backup, and that's how it would restore it. And then the other option is delete, which I'm going to do because I don't need a backup of this one. Same thing. So I'll select that. Yep, I want to delete it. And that's it, it's up to deleting that 10 gig backup, which 10 gig must just be Gran Turismo, the game, that's it. There's nothing else on this one. And that's how you do a backup and a restore and a delete all in one.